Hey, it's Steve L, and today we're going to talk about making champagne mimosas. So I've got my friend Renoni here to help.
Hi.
And one thing about opening a champagne bottle, you want to make sure it's tilted at an angle like this. And you take the top off like that. Make sure it's directed away from people because this thing can shoot off and, actually beam somebody in the head. So
and then you'll really need a drink.
Yeah, and then you'll really need a drink, exactly. So anyway, we ease the cork off like that, and we've already got our fresh squeezed orange juice in our champagne glasses. And Renoni, there you go.
Thank you.
So I'm going to pour a little champagne for Renoni, and hopefully I don't spill it all over her, though I don't think she'd mind.
No.
And that is called a champagne mimosa. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with your friends. I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.